call this one Red Sox because his hind legs are so red. Already, see the red. Such a good baby. Okay. It's 1 cc. Let's get just one more. Okay, come on. Over here. Come on, here it is. Oh. Ow. Oh. Sorry. This. Ooh. What'd you do? What happened? Better put the camera down and pay attention? I think I will. Okay, hang on.